Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Today I've got a great little recipe for you with just a few ingredients, 3 to be exact. You can add 1 or 2 extra ones if you want, they're totally optional. I'm making banana bread and it's a great way to use up overripe bananas. And I find that when you buy bananas now, they don't last longer than a couple of days. They get really overripe and they're just not nice to eat when they're like that. So banana bread is the perfect way to use them up. All right everyone, let's get started. You'll need 5 overripe medium-sized bananas for this recipe. Peel and break them up and pop them into a large bowl. Use a fork or even better, a potato masher to mash them up into a puree. Add in the sweetened condensed milk, and I like to buy the shop branded condensed milk as it's very cheap and it's perfect for baking. Stir it into the bananas until it's well combined. For this banana bread, you've got the option of adding in chocolate chips, nuts or even cinnamon, which I'm going to add a little of. Pour in the self-raising flour and now gently fold the flour and the cinnamon into the mixture until there's no traces of flour left. This is ready, so we can get it into the tin. This is a 2-pound loaf tin and I always like to grease and line my tins before I add the mixture to it. Smooth out the top with the back of a spoon. I like to cut a banana in half lengthwise and place it, the cut side up, on top of the mixture. This is optional, but I do think it makes the banana bread really stand out if you do it this way. How good does that look? This is ready for the oven now and we're going to bake it for about 50 minutes. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 160 Celsius if you're using a fan oven. When it's baked, allow it to cool in the tin for about 15 minutes before removing it. This banana bread is fab served warm or at room temperature. Cut a nice big slice. The banana bread is really nice and soft and you can see all that gorgeous banana. If you're a banana bread fan, why not check out my browned butter banana bread, it's really good, or my raspberry and dark chocolate chip banana bread, I love this one, and both recipes are on my channel, you will love them. And that is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you're as excited to try out this 3 ingredient banana bread as I am to share it with you. For lots more fabulous recipes, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow my Facebook page. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!